Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited about this install. I'm working with IDN Beauty on Amazon today. They sent me 2 packs of their straight seamless clipping extensions in 22 inches, and these are really high quality clippings. Okay, this is basically what it looks like. They are super seamless, super flat, pirouette, lightweight, and have steady clips. I'm giving you guys a closer view of how strong the clips are. It came in 4 different sizes. You have the 4 clips, 3 clips, 2 clips, and then the 1 clip, which will obviously make the install super easy and fast. I'm gonna be using a rattle comb, a straightener, a brush to comb the hair, heat protectant spray, and of course the clippings extensions itself. So I'm gonna start by parting my leaf out and twist them down to separate them from where I'm gonna put the clippings. I'm gonna start from the back with the 3 clippings. I part my hair like I'm showing you guys. Your line doesn't have to be perfect. It just have to be the perfect amount of hair underneath the clippings, and just clip the hair into your hair just like I'm doing. It's so simple, guys. I go ahead and brush them together to make sure it's blending perfectly. As you guys can see, you can't tell me this is not my hair. I'm going to repeat the same process and work my way up with another 3 clippings, followed with the 4th, and then work my way up to the front with the other ones, which is the 2 and the 1s. Now, I want you guys to take note of how the tracks literally vanishes beneath my hair. They are so invisible, you can't see any sign of the tracks under my hair. And this is something that I love about these clippings from IDN Beauty. And I love clippings because they are also super easy to install. It's not time consuming at all compared to the sew-in where you have to braid down your hair. And as someone who can braid down my hair, this is the perfect go-to hairstyle for me, and I can achieve the same results as the sew-in, even better. Okay, and you can also unclip them anytime and reuse the extensions as many times as needed. So I'm gonna comb out my leave out on the extensions to make sure all the tracks are covered, and I tried pulling it out to see if it would come off, but it didn't. I tried that a couple of times and it didn't come off. I was so impressed, and I could even hold the hair in a ponytail style. I then sprayed my heat protectant on the hair and straightened it a little bit. Because of how quality the hair is, it didn't need much straightening, so I just went ahead to style it the way I want. And as you guys can see, I was really excited and impressed by the hair. It looked really good, and trust me, it feels softer in real life. Okay, so if you want to get this hair, it is linked in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you learned a thing or two from this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe too for more videos like this as well, and I'll see you in my next one.